Super easy. Alright, Jeep Joe here. We're going to be working on a 2019 Jeep Wrangler. Installing a StartX brand plug and play style remote starter. There's your part number. Alright, so here's the wiring harness. This is your part for the ignition switch. As you see, it just tees right into it. And it'll run across here to the glove compartment area. And this will plug into this green connector here. Just plug it into any of these open ports and that part will be done. Then all you got left to do then are to plug these into your little remote start unit here. So everything's done through a computer signal in this vehicle. Let me go ahead and run the wire harness up through here. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug this part in. Alright, so let's read the directions. So there's a blue connector and the white connector. So it says to close the driver's door, then reopen the driver's door. Press unlock on the OEM remote. Now it says to turn the ignition switch on. Wait 5 seconds to turn the ignition off. It says to disconnect the module. Unplug the black connector of it last. Alright, now it says to go over to the computer for the next part. Alright, so plug this into the USB of the computer. Plug a little cable in. So it says to plug this into the black connector and open the web link RS. It says to click on Start Extended Programming, which is down here, and continue extended programming. Alright, so it's showing the loading screen. It's at 0% right now. It's got to go all the way across before it's finished. So we give it some time here. Wow, that's super fast. Alright, so hit OK, it disconnected. Alright, so now it says to reconnect this module back into the Jeep, turn the ignition switch on, wait for the LED to turn solid green, and turn the ignition switch off, and then I should be able to remote start it. So let's go try that out. I always plug the black connector in first, then the blue, and then the white. Turn the ignition switch on. And it says turn the ignition off, and it says it should be fully programmed now. It says I should be able to shut the doors and hit the lock button 3 times and have it crank. So let's try it out. Yep, perfect. Open your door up, get in, and you're on your merry way. So, pretty sweet. Everything's done. Let me put the dash back together and we'll be good to go. You want that to be the very first thing a person sees when they open the hood. Alright, so let's fire it up. So that's all there is to it. Extremely simple install. So there again, this is a StartX brand plug and play remote starter for the Jeep Wranglers and Gladiators and stuff.